Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. This is Carla Moore from MooreTalkJa, and welcome to Tun Up Tuesdays.
MooreTalkJa's Tun Up Tuesdays, roast beef wellness with a patty budget in mind.
Now, in case you're wondering what Tun Up Tuesdays is, Tun Up Tuesdays is a little feature what I'm going to do on a Tuesday. We're going to tell you something about health. Now, I'm not just talk about like how for maga down or how for make sure say your belly flat and whatever, because some people don't really like flat belly and some people don't supposed to maga. But overall, we're talking about things that have to do with your wellness and for make sure say you can live longer, all of them type of something there. So, Tun Up Tuesdays, the first thing that we're going to talk about is water. Now, I know say, when I expect me to tell you, say you have to drink 8 things of water per day, everybody know them someday. But right now, what I want to do is I want to take it back to your granny. Now, everybody know that your granny is very intelligent. And the one thing that most people remember about them granny is that she always used to have one little cup of water on the side table. It probably look like this, though. And she'd cover it down under one saucer. Yeah, alright. Now, plenty of with the things that granny did have the water there because she was menopausing and she was having her own private some and them something there. Or we did think that water was for her to put her dentures into. I am here to tell you that the dentures water is separate. That water is generally fizzy. This water is flat. Why granny did have the water pan the something? Because all of the research of them now I tell we say the best thing for your body is to drink a cup of water first thing when you wake up in the morning. Now I'm go up online because you know I love the interwebs. I love it. So I'm go up online, go do my little research. I'm gonna find 3 different stories about how the cup of water in the first thing of the morning I'm gonna help you. So the first one is for drink a glass of cold water. Him say drink it anywhere within 30 minutes of waking up. My other research would seem to imply that this man is not really talking the correct thing because drinking cold water actually slow down your system and make your system sluggish. For people who are trying to lose weight though, drinking cold water might actually benefit you because it generally your body have to do the work to bring the water down to body temperature so you have a burn couple calories. But me not really feel so you want to wake up your body. You know, want just wake up your body in the water can and just get work for the first thing. So some would really advise the cold water. Next thing we see is a man will say drink a mug of warm lemon water. Now, lemon juice generally it alkalinizes the body. Now, you know, say generally the body is kind of acidic. I mean, say lemon acidic, so you'd think it would make the body more acidic. But lo and behold, I know how magically that is not actually how it works. So it's gonna fix up the pH of your body. It's gonna build up your immune system. The lemon juice good for your ear and your skin and them something. For anybody where try to lose weight, the lemon juice generally are gonna make you lose weight faster. If you doesn't like lemon, or if you live into Jamaica where lemon are hard to find, lime juice is gonna do the same thing. You can also try drink alkaline water like alkavina and them type of something there. But generally, if you drink the mug with a little warm lemon juice, it's gonna start up your system. The nether one, no, and this is the big one. No, this is the serious one. This man, you know, him have like a whole regime that involves water. No, him say when you get up first thing in the morning, before you even brush your teeth, don't brush your teeth. Everything when I am out, from make sure you brush your teeth the night before. Everything when I am out, rinse it down and swallow it. Drink 4 glasses of water first thing in the morning before you do anything else. 45 minutes after, and not eat nothing. Don't eat anything. 45 minutes after that, you can eat. 2 hours after you eat, you can eat your next meal, and so on and so on and so forth. But before you even get up out of bed in the morning, drink the 4 glasses of water. If you don't have the constitution for that, because I tell you something, lukewarm, room temperature water is something when it make me feel pleasant in my body. It doesn't make me feel good into my body, but they are good for me, so I have to learn how to drink it. Drink the 4 glasses of water. If you can't drink the 4, drink 1 for start, and then continue to build up. The man said over time, this I go start out all type of things to your body. Now, you know, I love fasting at people business, so I follow them up and read them blog and them type of something there. People them say when you drink the water first thing in the morning, it give you early morning movements. And you know that's a good thing because you want to clear up the things from the day before you start packing on anything for today. So early morning movements is a good thing. Then you don't already start drinking some of the water you're supposed to drink for the day. So that is a good thing because you know you're supposed to drink a certain amount of water for the day. Then the water gonna flush out your body. And if you really do manage to put the lime juice and things like there, and it'll give fiber and all the other things that you cannot pronounce, yeah, I'm gonna put a link them to the something right on the air, so yeah, you can check them out here. So that is a health tip for this week on Tun Up Tuesdays. Before you get out of bed in the morning, or even if you get out of bed, do what granny used to do. Put down the cup of water on the side table when you go to your bed at night, and as you wake up in the morning, as much water as you can drink it down. First thing, it's going to give you early morning movements. It's going to start today. All right, this is cheap. As long as you give end up, you see them money, you can do this. Or if you go to the supermarket and buy whatever water that you want to buy, you can do this thing. Simply, it is going to help you to stay healthy. Now, for people who want to know where them can see me or what I'm doing, August 1 to 5, Reg Film Festival is happening in Ocherias at Highland Village. On the 4th, I'm going to be doing a seminar on hacking. Yes, one of the things you might not know about me is that I'm also a stage actress, or any other place that people really want me to hack, I will show up there and hack. So I'm doing a seminar on acting. So if you want to see me, all of the festival is completely free. You know, really have it complain or nothing like that. Emancipendence are going and free things. I brought my face. Everybody's have to come out. Ocherias 1 to 5 of August. Ocherias Island Village on the 4th from 2:30 to 4:30. I'm going to be there doing a little seminar talking about hacking. Everything is free, so come and check me out. Otherwise, I don't know if you do, follow me on Twitter at More Mayhem, link me on Facebook, facebook.com/MooreTalkJa, all of them something there. If you have a health tip that you want to share with us, like if you find something you say, Ray, this work, I'm about to just a turn up and I feel good, especially if it's cheap, bust upon it. And me will come link up everybody with it. Because remember, say me is no fitness professional. Me is just a little girl who are trying to dead quick. Because nobody really wants for that soon. You know what I'm saying? Big up yourself, bless up yourself. Thank you for sticking and staying with I. Look out for more things coming soon. Bye-bye.
Tun Up Tuesdays. Health and wellness for the broke and pauperized.